Are you tired of struggling to lose weight and keep it off? Do you feel frustrated that no matter what you try, you just can't seem to reach your goals? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world are searching for the secret to successful weight loss. But what if I told you that there was an easy and delicious way to burn fat that you may have overlooked? What if I told you that some common household ingredients could help you achieve your weight loss goals faster and more effectively than anything else you've had tried before? That's right. We're talking about fat-burning drinks. In this video, I'll share 10 of the most effective and delicious fat-burning drinks that are guaranteed to help you slim down in no time. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secret to unlocking your weight loss success. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries for its health and beauty benefits. It's known for its ability to aid in weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness, reducing calorie intake, and boosting metabolism. To make an apple cider vinegar drink, simply mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 glass of water. For a more palatable flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Drink this mixture once per day, preferably before meals to help curb your appetite and promote weight loss. 2. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular weight loss drinks out there for a reason. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to help with weight loss by increasing metabolism and fat burning. Studies have also shown that green tea can help reduce body fat and waist circumference. To reap the benefits of green tea for weight loss, simply drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day. You can also boost the effects of green tea by adding a few slices of fresh ginger root or lemon peel. Number 3. Ginger lemon drink. Ginger and lemon are 2 ingredients that are often used in fat-burning drinks due to their many health benefits. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help boost metabolism and aid in digestion, while lemon is high in vitamin C and can help reduce inflammation and support weight loss. To make a ginger lemon drink, combine 1 tablespoon of grated ginger with the juice of half a lemon and 1 glass of water. Stir well and drink up. For an added boost, you can add a few mint leaves or a pinch of ground turmeric. Number 4. Smoothie. Smoothies are a great way to increase your intake of fruits and vegetables, which are essential for a healthy diet and weight loss. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can help you feel full and satisfied while reducing your overall calorie intake. To make a smoothie, simply blend 1 cup of berries, bananas, or other fruits with 1 cup of spinach or kale and 1 cup of yogurt or almond milk. You can also add other ingredients like chia seeds, flax seeds, or protein powder to make your smoothie more filling and nutritious. Aim to drink 1 smoothie per day as a meal replacement or snack to help support your weight loss goals. 5. Chia seed drink. Chia seeds are a type of superfood that is high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They're also rich in antioxidants and other nutrients that can help support weight loss. When chia seeds are consumed, they absorb water and expand in the stomach, which can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Studies have also shown that chia seeds can help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar control. To make a chia seed drink, simply soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in 1 glass of water overnight. In the morning, strain the seeds and drink the water. You can also add flavor and sweetness by adding fruit or a natural sweetener like stevia. Number 6. Lemon mint drink. The combination of lemon and mint is a refreshing and flavorful way to support your weight loss goals. Lemons are high in vitamin C and can help reduce inflammation and boost the immune system. Mint leaves are high in antioxidants and can help improve digestion and reduce bloating. To make a lemon mint drink, combine the juice of 1 lemon with a handful of mint leaves and 1 glass of water. Add a little honey or stevia to taste and stir well. Drink this beverage after meals to aid in digestion and reduce bloating. Number 7. Coconut water. Coconut water is a popular beverage in tropical countries and is often used as a natural remedy for weight loss. It's high in potassium, which is an essential mineral that can help reduce water retention and eliminate toxins from the body. Coconut water also contains other nutrients like magnesium and calcium, which can help support a healthy metabolism and weight loss. To use coconut water for weight loss, simply drink 1 glass per day. You can also add a few slices of lime or lemon to enhance the flavor. No. 8. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a vibrant and nutrient-rich drink that can be a powerful addition to your weight loss regimen. Beets are high in antioxidants and can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. They're also rich in nitrates, which are converted to nitric oxide in the body and can help improve cardiovascular health and exercise performance. To make beetroot juice, simply blend 1 large beetroot with 1 cup of water and strain the mixture. You can also add other vegetables like carrots, apples, or citrus fruits to make the juice more palatable. To support weight loss, aim to drink 1 glass of beetroot juice per day. Number 9. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is another potent fat-burning drink that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Cranberries are high in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation and support immune health. Studies have shown that cranberry juice can also help improve cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. To use cranberry juice for weight loss, simply drink 1 glass per day. You can also add a few slices of orange or grapefruit to enhance the flavor. Number 10. Protein shake. A protein shake is a convenient and effective way to increase your protein intake, which is essential for a healthy diet and weight loss. Protein can help you feel full and reduce your appetite, which can lead to reduced calorie intake and ultimately weight loss. Additionally, protein can help preserve muscle mass, which is important for maintaining a healthy metabolism. To make a protein shake, simply blend 1 scoop of protein powder with 1 cup of milk or water and 1 banana. You can also add other ingredients like oats or flax seeds to make the shake more filling and nutritious. Aim to drink 1 protein shake per day as a meal replacement or snack to help support your weight loss goals. Now that you know the top 10 delicious fat-burning drinks to add to your weight loss regimen, it's time to put them to the test. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these drinks into your daily routine and observe how your body reacts. Pay attention to any changes in your appetite, energy levels, or weight. As you continue to experiment with these drinks, keep track of your progress and make adjustments as needed. Don't be afraid to try new recipes and get creative with your fat-burning beverages. And remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your weight loss goals. So make these fat-burning drinks a regular part of your diet and watch as they work their magic in helping you achieve the body you've always wanted. If you've struggled with weight loss in the past, don't get discouraged. With the right mindset and the support of these delicious fat-burning drinks, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you in no time. So grab a glass, raise it to your success, and take the first sip of your journey towards a slimmer, fitter body. Thank you for watching our video on the top 10 delicious fat-burning drinks to help you lose weight. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness tips. We wish you all the best in your weight loss journey and hope that you achieve your goals with ease and confidence.